Waxing your bikini area at home is a viable option if you find salon waxing uncomfortable and expensive. Wear soft, comfortable panties for guidance and protection. Start by cleaning and exfoliating the area, then find a comfortable place to perform the waxing. Apply warmed, hard wax in small sections and follow up with a soothing aloe vera gel. Make sure your hair is between a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch in length for optimal results. Consider taking a dose of ibuprofen before waxing to minimize pain. Cleanse and exfoliate the area before waxing to reduce the risk of infection and make it easier for the wax to grip the hair. Use hard wax or a waxing kit specifically designed for the bikini area. Warm up the wax to the recommended consistency and test the temperature before applying. Start by pulling the skin taut gently and then applying the wax in sections. Allow the wax to harden before removing it in the opposite direction of hair growth. Take short breaks in between sections and avoid rushing the process.